Hello everyone, welcome to another video in our Microsoft Word Essential Training course. So in this lesson, I will teach you how to close, open and manage your documents in Word Online. Now Word Online is a cloud-based application, so file management is somewhat different from traditional desktop applications. So keep that in mind as we move forward. So first, let's see how we can open a document. In order to open a document, what you have to do is you have to go to the Word application. So in the Word application welcome screen, you can see a recently opened tab, as you can see here. So from there you can see a list of documents that you have which you have worked on. So in order to open a document, what you have to do is click on the name of the document. So in this case, this is the document called Name in the Agreement version 1.1. So if I were to click on the name, that document is opened from another tab. So as you can see, it is open on another tab. So similarly, if you want to create open any document, what you have to do is just click on the name of the document and it will open the document on a new tab. So instead of opening these documents from the welcome screen, Word welcome screen, and there is another method. You can open a document from OneDrive, which is the cloud storage drive that Microsoft provide you with. So if you go to OneDrive, to navigate the OneDrive, you can click on this app launcher icon on the left top corner, and in there you can find the application called OneDrive. When you click on that, it will open in a new tab. From here you will have it's better to navigate to this option called My Files, and when you click on My Files, it will show you all the files that you have in your OneDrive storage. So in my case, I have four. At the moment I have four Word documents, as you can see, and if I want to open any of them, what I have to do is click on the name. So I want to open the name in the agreement version 1.1, so I'm going to click on the name, and as you can see, that document is open on a new tab. Now the next thing we have to do is, now after you're done working on a document, you need to close this document. Now yeah, unlike with the desktop traditional application, this online application does not have a specific close button. So when you want to close a document, so for example, let's say I want to close this name in the agreement version 1.1, what I have to do is close the tab that I have that document opened on. So name in the agreement 1.1 is open on this tab, so I'm going to close this document by closing this tab. So when you close that tab, the Microsoft Word Online will automatically save all the changes in the page that you have done and close the document. Now you know how to open a document. Now you know how to close a document. Let's see how we can manage our files next. So for that, you have to go to OneDrive. You have to navigate to My Files. And when you go there, you can see all your Word documents listed here. So in here, as you can see, when you hover over one of these documents, there is a place you can take tick in front of the document name, as you can see. So to select the document that you want to make changes to, what you have to do is you have to tick in front of it. So let's say I want to change the name of this document. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tick in front of it, and when I tick that, it will highlight the document and it will give me a strip that has different options, as you can see from above. So what you're going to do is, there are a couple of options that you have here that you can use. So there is an open option to open a document. There is a share option. You can delete this document. You can move and copy this document to another folder. You have the ability to download a copy to your device that you're working on, and you can rename So there are these options that available to you. So in this case, I'm just going to rename this so you can get a feel for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to name this the agreement. This is going to be version 1.3. So as you can see, I have renamed it, and since this is the document that I edited lastly, it will come to the top. And if you go here, uh, you'll be able to find this as well. It will take some time to update, but since this is one of those documents that you have worked on, this will now sometimes you may need to make changes, but most of the time it will automatically update. Since this is taking some time, I'm just going to refresh this. And as you can see, they mean the agreement version 1.3. It says that I opened it just now. So as you can see, that way you can make changes, you can manage your Word documents from the OneDrive. And I hope this was informative, and please do try out these options. So you can get a feel for it, how they are used. These are pretty explanatory. They are not that complicated. You may not need this embed option because it's honestly it's not that much useful at the moment for fundamentals course. And version control I will teach you in a future video that just allows you to revert your documents changes to an earlier version. We'll have a separate video on this one. These ones are pretty simple, as you can see. So try this out, and I will see you in the next video.